Yo. Welcome to my show. My name is Victor Anyanwu and they call me the social media oracle. Hello guys, how you doing? Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching the videos. I'm grateful. All right, we are growing. I'm grateful. We're getting visibility from you. We're getting comments. We're getting likes. We're getting DMs. I'm grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for being here. Really, thank you for all the support. All right, but I'm going to ask for more. All right, Oliver Twist. I'm going to ask for more. Please like, comment, share. Keep sharing. Keep subscribing. Click the notification button so you don't miss the videos that we keep sharing. All right. Let these videos help. All right. I want to help as many people as possible. All right, so please share it. Let these videos help. All right, so thank you guys. Today I'm talking about 3 things that are important if you want to sell online. 3 things that are important, right? Now, these 3 things are like the foundational thing before you decide to build any other spiritual thing you want to build on top. All right, but these 3 things are like the foundational things. Okay, if they do not exist, no selling can happen. You can build on it, you can't add any other thing on it. All right, and I'm going to talk about the next 3 things in the next minute. All right, see you soon. Welcome back. All right, did you miss me? All right, I hope you had a great week. Okay, now this is it. 3 things, all right, that are extremely important for online marketing. 3. Number 1 is you need to be found first. All right, you need to be visible. People need to be aware that you exist. All right, see, I can't buy something from somebody I do not know exists. You need to exist. Okay, I need to be aware that you exist. Okay, that's the only way I can now buy. Do you understand? So awareness, that's the first thing. All right, A for awareness. All right, so you can also call this the ABC of social media marketing, the foundation of social media marketing, of online marketing, the ABC. Awareness first. Okay, now sometimes some clients will say, hey, awareness not they put food for table. Yes. All right, yes. But can you buy food from somebody you do not know sells food? No. So awareness might not put food on the table, but awareness will direct you to where to get the food to put on the table. You see now? So awareness first is the top, the beginning of the whole funnel. Is the top. Awareness, okay, is the A part. Nothing happens unless people are aware that you exist. So what's the most important thing you have to be doing? Telling people that this is what I do. Let them be aware. All right, don't no apologies. All right, this is what you do. This is what you do. Like it, you don't like it, but this is what I do. All right, tell people what you do. All right, let them be aware. Awareness. Let them know that this is what you do. Let them know that this is how fast you can do it. Let them know that this is how good you can do it. Let them know that you are this good in it. Awareness. All right, first level. All right, awareness. Now step 2, you need to build trust. Now trust, people can be aware that, okay, yeah, this guy does this stuff, but I don't want to work with him. No trust. Why is trust important? Trust is important because no selling takes place unless there is trust. No selling at all, as in nobody sells anything unless there is trust. So you want to sell something, get trust first. Somebody can be aware and say, oh fine, I know that they do it, but I'm not just gonna buy it. I don't trust the guy. I don't trust him to deliver. right? Especially many people now, like your tailors, right? You know that the tailor can sew, as in, yeah, I know that he sews, but I don't trust him to deliver before the time. So I'm not going to work with him. I'd rather work with somebody I trust to deliver before the time. All right. Oh yes, I would really want to make this cake, but I don't trust her to make that cake in time and deliver before the birthday. And I don't think it will get there before the birthday. Birthday is in a few days, right? I don't think she'll do that. I think she's very busy. I don't trust she'll be able to do that. Or I like fruity cakes. All right, I like cakes that have this fruity feel in it. Tasty, fruity, nice. I like that cake. All right, and I don't think she can create the cake the way I like it. I don't trust. I can be aware. I might know. Somebody can, recommend, but I just don't trust that you can deliver. All right. So you need to build trust. All right. So what do you need to do to build trust? Is it possible that we can taste the cake you have made before? So yeah, I have a couple of cakes. Yeah, come and taste. And you come and you go, wow, this cake is awesome. I want 3. Trust. All right. You heard of wine tasting, right? So they open up a new place and they say, hey, we're doing wine tasting. I'm like, well, let's just go and check it out. I'm like, what? Can you imagine? Oh my God, this tastes so good. Wine tasting. All right. Trust. No trust before wine tasting. After wine tasting, trust. Why? I've tasted. I'm like, damn, this guy is awesome. All right. Social media work. Oh, I would really like somebody to post my social media stuff, and like, yeah, I heard him say something. I don't think this guy, has what I want. I don't think this guy can deliver what I want. You're not listening to another person. Like, wow, listen to him. Are you listening to him? This is exactly what I want. This guy, I need this guy's number. This is exactly what I want. Trust. All right, trust. Okay. The business of every marketer or every seller or the owner of a business, all right, the business of that owner of a business is to create more customers. To create more customers, you need to build more trust. The minute I have trust, I open my wallet and I'll pay. If I do not have trust, I'm paying nothing. Do you understand what I mean? Trust. So build trust. Okay? That's 2. That's the B part. Now finally C. Convert. Close sales. There are where you have trust. Ask for the money. Tell them, okay, fine. We have agreed. You are ready. You've picked the size. That's fine. So now, when do I deliver this cake for you? All right. When would you like your cake delivered? All right. Do you want to add some extra toppings on it? You heard those guys when you go to these guys that do ice cream. I don't want to mention their name, giving them free advert. Those guys that sell ice cream, you shall know them. So when you are buying, they say, what else do you want to add with it? There's this woman I buy lime from. All right. So I like taking, lime and a little bit of cola. So sometimes when I take cola, just put some lime in it. I love it, with some ice cubes. It's beautiful. You guys should try it. So when I take that, right? So there's the woman I always buy lime from. Anytime I go there, she says, what else do you want with it? And I laughed one day. She was like, I'm sorry that I'm asking. I'm like, don't apologize. I love the way you sell. All right? You are closing it, but you are getting another one. And she wants to get another one on it. Just like those ice cream guys. They'll say, what toppings do you want? All right? What extra flavor do you want? All right? Ask for more. Okay? It's simple. You are closing the sale, but it doesn't stop you from asking for more. You can get a bigger sale. Oh, people that buy this kind of cake normally buy this little smaller cupcake to go with it, or people that take this kind of, people that buy lime normally buy lemon and ginger too. Do you understand? And you're selling your lemon and your ginger. Close sales. Many people do not ask for the sale. You've closed everything, then you now sit down and you're waiting for the person to get in touch with you. No, you get in touch with the person. Close your sales. Learn to be more aggressive. All right, all those passive nature things. I ain't gonna work. Just sit down. Go after it. Go. All right. Everything is close. Is fine. All right. They are aware. They trust you. The business is good. The relationship is fine. The gist has been going fine. Ask for the sale. All right. It's like going out with a woman, right? Everything is fine. Relationship is good. You like the person. Ask for a hand. Don't stop and wait. That and that guy will just come and just take her away. All right, I remember the story of a friend of mine. She was telling me, "But like, you didn't marry this guy. I thought you were going to marry this guy." I said, "Why?" She said, "That guy just came out. That guy was just playing. He didn't ask for the sale. All right, they've been close. Everything has worked fine. Everything was cool. She was expecting she was going to marry this guy, but the guy didn't ask. Another guy just came and asked, and when she went away with that guy, that's the way sale is. Ask for the sale. All right, don't wait. Close it. Ask for the sale. All right, and while asking, ask for the toppings. Sell the toppings too. Sell the extras too. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you got value today. If you did, please give me a like. All right, like this video, share, comment, share your. Will I call it testimonials? All right, share your testimonials with us. All right, many of you have used our strategies, used our tactics, and they're working for you. Please tell us how it's working. All right, tell us what you have learned this week. Tell us how you have applied it. Tell us how it worked for you. I would really love to hear. All right, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. Don't forget to share. All right, remember, I am at the Oracle VA at TheOracleVA across all social media platforms. Chat with me, send me a message, let's have a conversation. You can talk to me on WhatsApp 081-7710-8267. All right, so until I come your way again next week, remember this: life is waiting for you. All right, strategies win battles, not weapons. Don't tell Putin I said so.